What's up, guys? Today we're going to be finishing up the body work on both the white STi and the silver STi, getting them ready and looking good for summer. Let's go. Alright guys, so unfortunately when I was buffing the car, the buffer burned through the clear coat and we actually went down to the paint and kind of scraped down the primer. So I had to redo both paint and clear coat on this rear quarter panel, but unfortunately the color didn't match very well. I also didn't like how the clear coat laid onto the color, and so I think I'm going to be redoing this quarter panel here. But if we move around to the other side, we kind of had the same issue here on this pillar. It turned out better. We got a little bit through the primer or through the paint there, but we'll just respray that as there's leftover paint. And then we resprayed the fender here as well. It actually turned out fairly well. I need to sand it a little bit more and then buff it out, but the fender should be all right. What's up, guys? So as you can see, this looks really good. Alex and I spent a lot of time. We repainted this and then we cleared over it, blended it, and resanded, and it looks beautiful. You can't even tell there's ever rust there. And we did the same thing on this. This isn't quite done yet. There's still a little bit of orange peel, so I'm going to sand and buff this some more. But I'm very happy with how the clear laid over the paint. And the same thing on this side. So that side's been sanded already. This side is not. So as you can see and feel, this is just clear coat that's been sprayed on. It's super rough versus this that's like not at all. If you listen closely. Yeah. So in a few, probably 30 minutes, this will be just like that side. Beautiful. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? So I got in a hurry and I was using 1500 to sand this flat, and I probably shouldn't have, but I jumped up to 1000 grit with my power sander, and on the edge I sanded through the previous clear, or through my new clear into the previous clear into the old paint. So I'm done for the day. I'm going to come back and sand all my clear off tomorrow, and yeah, we'll go from there. And here's Alex to tell you about his fun. Okay, guys, so unfortunately I tried to save the fender because the clear coat didn't lay on very well, and the clear coat just didn't lay on well. It had all these little pits in the clear, and so you would sand it down and then you would buff it, but you could see all these little shiny dots. And so, like Wyatt, we're gonna just redo the clear and some of the paint work on all the parts. It's unfortunate. Winning!